Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Creta World token. Ticker symbol is Creta, C-R-E-T-A. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Creta World token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Creta World token recently got listed on a central exchange called Bitget. So if you're looking to get the Creta World token, all you'd have to do is download Bitget, B-I-T-G-E-T, from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search C-R-E-T-A, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now you can find their Twitter right up here at Creta_world on Twitter. And on their Twitter, as you can see, they do have a link to join a Discord if you want to do that. They also have their webpage on there, Creta.world. They're doing very well on Twitter, 49,500 Twitter followers, blue verified check mark on there. So Creta is the next generation Web3 gaming platform built on top of the revolutionary blockchain technology, the Locus chain. The advent and rapid development of the internet have revolutionized human interaction, unearthing new mediums and forms of communication unseen before. Metaverse is the next big step where a user's role of content observer and consumer gets put into a type of behavior which revolves around active participation in the creation, production of experiences, possession, and exploitation of assets, and novel ways of social transactions. Now, Creta is on a mission to build the technological and social backbone of this digital transformation, enabling new types of experiences in the medium of video games, online social interaction, and innovations in the underlying economic behavior. We think of Creta as the nexus of the following. Number one is a video game storefront, with games built in-house and acquired from third parties that have been based on player-centric gaming economies. Number two is a gaming platform, one to rule them all. Games, wallets, marketplace, authentication, leaderboard, etc. Number three is a community-friendly game creation tool to bootstrap the development of a community-owned games and built-in monetization. Number four, an asset marketplace that provides users with ready-made assets that can be easily imported into games, created, traded, and reused in the metaverse. Number five, a layer 0 blockchain solution, Locus chain, provides unlimited scalability and full decentralization. And lastly, the metaverse. So it's going to be a video game storefront, like I mentioned. The next generation platform comes with gaming IPs built in-house and acquired from third-party developers showcased on the video game storefront. Unlike the generation of blockchain games that offered limited user experience and lackluster content, Creta enters the marketplace with two high-quality titles under codenames King of the Fire, the Rise of Fortress NFT. We aim to make a difference in providing users with on par AAA grade A games in terms of game design, graphics, battle systems, player-to-player interaction, and other elements of video gaming. So also the gaming platform. Creta's gaming platform is a point of entry in the game storefront and adjacent services. These services include an internal marketplace, leaderboard, users' wallets, authentication system, an alert system, and other layers. Also, we have the video games creation tool, the Creta Studio. So that's obviously where the name Creta comes from, is the creation. So the explosive growth of game creation engines such as Unity and Unreal Engine has led the elimination of barriers for aspiring individuals looking to build their games. Game creation has arguably never been easier, with outstanding products shipped by small teams and solo developers. So they're aiming to do this as well. Creta Studios is a Web3 software for game developers with a smooth learning curve and features that leverage blockchain technologies. Also, the Asset Marketplace, which offers thousands of user-generated and built-in NFT art packs that suit any game setting, genre, and style. Assets are created in Creta Studio and can be listed on any marketplace available for purchase and use in-game by the community. The marketplace will offer flexible customization options, allowing tweaking all economic parameters of the sale, such as tiered and bundled deals, pricing, processing of transactions, and others. And then we can learn about the Locus chain if you want to check out their white paper, which is available on their webpage, creta.world. They have a whole section that goes over the Locus chain if you want to learn about that. I do believe I've done a full video on the Locus chain, and if I do remember, I will try to link it at the end of this video. It'll pop up here on the screen, and you can check out the Locus chain. And then they talk about the Metaverse. So we obviously know what the Metaverse is, and then we have the player-centric gaming economy. And besides that, they've done a lot of market research, before creating this project here. They're going to make a public universe where there's going to be, NFTs, anime, fantasy games, all sorts of different games involved there. Within the Creta Studio, there's going to be different modes: player mode, beginner mode, advanced mode, expert, master mode. They have a full business model of how they're going to go about this. And so the token, the Creta token, the cryptocurrency used for minting NFTs, trading NFTs, purchasing tradable items, and also within the games, they have the Creta Points, which is an in-game virtual currency used for gameplay within the games and Metaverse. So there's battle passes, there's ratings, there's drafts, there's esports tournaments. There's going to be all sorts of cool stuff here. So check all this out. The token, by the way, on the Locus chain, how it's split up. Lastly, before we end this video here, 30% of the tokens go to contributors, 12.5% goes to founding teams, 7.5% marketing promotions, 20% business incentives, 10% advisors and partners, and 20% treasury and reserves. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.